Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video about Funnel X ROI. And the reason why I wanted to bring this information to you guys is because I'm extremely excited about this new funnel that I've been having a lot of success with and that I want to share with everyone, especially if you're looking to earn a full-time income online and you want something that's really simple to use. Funnel X ROI caught my attention because of the direct commissions that are paid out when you become a part of Funnel X ROI. Not only that, they give you step-by-step instructions on how to get this thing set up. And it took me one day to set it up. It probably would have been shorter than that, but I had lost internet connection. But what I want to do is I'm going to first give you a little bit of information about Funnel X ROI. And I'm going to show you some of the commissions that I've been able to earn utilizing the system and basically let you know what it can do for you. So for those that don't know, Funnel X ROI is basically a funnel that helps you and allows you to generate commissions by showing you how to set it up and how to earn commissions on a regular basis. When you become a member of Funnel X ROI, it's going to give you a high converting funnel, which means basically it's going to have your capture page, your sales page, and your autoresponder all built in for you, where all you will need to do is start running traffic to this funnel and actually watch it convert. So when you first come in and you log in, it's going to give you a return on investment case study of the owner that literally came up with this system and put it together step by step so people can start earning money and actually have the potential to put together a funnel in a short period of time and just allow his autoresponder to do the work for you, okay? They have everything that's broken down literally step by step. What I tell people is if you're a newbie in learning how to build funnels, you literally take this step by step to set it up. And within a day or so, you should be ready to start running paid traffic or free traffic with this system, okay? So when you first come in, you start here, they have a little welcome video just to pretty much tell you what to expect when you start with Funnel X ROI. It has information about the Easy 1-Up compensation plan, which a lot of people are earning with quickly because of the way that this is set up. It allows you to generate 100% commissions on the front end. And these are immediate commissions that go right into your bank account, okay? It has the information on how to connect your autoresponder and information about the Now Lifestyle, Click Magic, the pay per lead system, how to promote and start earning commissions, and the traffic. He's giving you live results using the traffic that he is currently using. He's giving you those traffic sources as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to log into my authorized.net account. Here I'm a merchant, and there's many different ways that you can utilize to set up your payment, the payments that you want to collect with the system, okay? You can use PayPal, you can use authorized.net, you can use Bitcoin. It's really up to you, basically what you want to use when you actually start utilizing the system. So what I want to do is I'm going to go into my transaction research, and that's going to give you a list of some of the transactions that I've accumulated over the last few days, and basically show you how I've been earning a full-time income online. Okay, so here we are in my authorized.net account. This is my name, and here are some of the transactions that I was able to produce by working online and utilizing funnels that allow you to pretty much build your business on autopilot. And all I'm doing is running traffic using free and paid methods to this system, okay? So if we go into next, here I have more payments here. Some are declined, but most of them are successful, as you can see here. And then what I do is I just basically take 20% of my earnings and I continuously pump it back into traffic. Okay. And that's basically what you do to earn this full-time income online is you take a percentage and you just keep pumping it into your funnel until you get to where you need to be financially with your, with your account where you want to be to leave your daytime job or to produce a second income. So if you want to connect with me or get more information about what it is that I do, or you want to get started, the link will be in the description below. Here's my information so you can connect with me on Facebook. It's Amanda Ray. This is what my cover photo looks like. And I'm here to answer any questions you may have or to help you get started. So thanks so much for watching my video. I'm looking to inspire people to start a home-based business. I just want to say thank you. I appreciate all of my subscribers that watch my videos, that follow my journey online. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Have a great night.